There are a few very alarming statistics that I want to share with you that I heard on the radio not too long ago. First one is that 70 million Americans experience some sort of sleep disorder. That's nearly 1 in 5 Americans. Now, many psychiatrists attribute this to stress. The second statistic is that 35 million Americans take a regular antidepressant. That's more than 1 in 10. The third statistic is that between 1988 and 2008, antidepressant usage increased by nearly 400%. So what this tells us is that many Americans, millions in fact, are not happy. They're not at peace. They're stressed. When you think about it, why is this the case? I mean, in America, we have so much wealth, so much prosperity, and yet all these millions of Americans are depressed, have problems sleeping, not happy. You all know the cliche. That is that money doesn't buy you happiness. And it's true. In fact, many times it does just the opposite. Look at all these celebrities. So much wealth, so much prosperity, so much fame, and yet many of them are not happy. A few examples I can think of off the top of my head are Justin Timberlake and Justin Bieber. Many news reports say that they had to check themselves in because of depression. And yet they have all the money, all the fans, all the fame, and all the popularity, everyone wanting to be like them. And yet they're depressed.